Welcome to Empowered Within, a soul-quenching, transformational podcast that will set your soul on fire through candid and inspiring conversations. Leading experts, celebrities, healers, and I share our journeys of how we've overcome challenges to living an empowered life from within. I'm your host, Jennifer Pilates. Welcome to another episode of Empowered Within. Well, hello, beautiful soul, and welcome back to another cosmic episode of Empowered Within. I'm your host, Jennifer, your renowned Reiki master healer and intuitive medium and sacred guide for your transformational journey. Today's episode is oh so magical because we're diving into the high vibrational waters of the Libra Full Moon and how its energies are supporting your personal balance, relationships, and soul healing right now. We're also going to explore how you can align more deeply with these cosmic energies through the sacred space of my Reiki Moon Magic Distant Healing event that's happening this weekend and every month on every new and full moon. So stay with me because this universe is pouring love and alignment your way. Let's begin by tuning into the celestial vibes of the Libra full moon. Libra, ruled by Venus, is the sign of balance, beauty, harmony, and relationships. When the full moon lights up this air sign, it brings clarity to the ways we show up in our partnerships, romantic or platonic, and the sacred relationships we have with ourselves. Right now, the universe is gently, or perhaps boldly, inviting you to reclaim balance in areas where you've been overgiving. Release relationship patterns that are no longer serving you. And really try to restore inner balance by aligning with your truth. And remember, the full moon it's not just about letting go. It's also a powerful time to illuminate what's ready to be seen, celebrated, or even healed. The energy is heightened and your spirit is ready. This particular Libra full moon sits opposite the fiery, independent energy of Aries, bringing up the sacred dance between me and we. Where are you sacrificing too much? Where are you being called to step into leadership within your connections? Breathe into that. You are being guided to create beautiful boundaries that hold your heart and light sacred. So why does this matter energetically? You see, lunar cycles amplify everything. And during the full moon, energy rises to the surface, emotions, old wounds, and powerful spiritual insights. That's why this is the perfect time for an energetic clearing, rebalancing, and for divine healing. When you combine Reiki energy healing with the lunar portal, you're opening up to deep soul level alignment. It's like plugging into the universal reset, where your physical, emotional, and spiritual bodies receive exactly what they need to find that alignment, body, mind, and spirit. That brings me to something incredibly close to my heart, my Reiki Moon Magic Distant Healing events. These sacred group sessions happen twice a month during the new moon and the full moon, aligning with the most powerful energetic gateways of the lunar cycle. I don't know about you, but I so resonate with the moons. I love the lunar cycles. I love being in flow and going through and embracing and aligning with the energies. So I've created these most magical events that are happening twice a month. These are incredible healing opportunities for sensitive souls who feel everything, for women holding space for everyone else, and it's time to hold space for yourself. Anyone feeling energetically heavy or stuck, perhaps you're craving a sacred pause. Spiritual seekers looking to realign with their truth. This is a 30-minute distant Reiki healing session guided by me during the lunar portals. You'll receive collective intention setting and energetic rebalancing, a sacred energetic field where your soul can receive what it most needs: peace, clarity, release, or renewal. Whether you're feeling heavy, unsure, emotionally overwhelmed, or just ready to deepen your spiritual practice, this is for you. These sessions are perfect for empaths and highly sensitives, those navigating transitions or relationship shifts, anyone looking to reset their energetic fields, and those ready to call in peace, abundance, and intuitive clarity. The best part? You don't have to do anything but receive. This isn't another Zoom event. There's no tech needed. Lie down, rest, light a candle, and know that you're being held in healing light wherever you are in the world. So if your spirit has been craving release, clarity, or energetic support, this weekend's full moon in Libra, Reiki Moon Magic Healing, is your sacred invitation. When is it? Tomorrow, Saturday, April 12th. The time is 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But remember, Reiki works outside of time and space. You'll receive the healing whether you're sleeping, relaxing, or on a walk under the beautiful, blessed moon. You can head over to jenniferpilates.com to reserve your sacred space. Spots are limited, and these sessions have become beloved monthly rituals for our global community. So head over to jenniferpilates.com and reserve your sacred space for tomorrow, Saturday, April 12th at 7 p.m. so that you can welcome in this incredible healing energy. As you step into this full moon portal, ask yourself, what am I ready to release with love? What does balance look like for me right now? Where do I need to return home to myself? You are worthy of receiving. You are worthy of divine support. You are worthy of a soft place to land. Let the light of the full moon in Libra guide you back to your center. And I'll see you inside the Reiki Moon Magic Portal where healing begins. Until next time, stay empowered, stay aligned, and keep shining. Thank you so much for tuning in to another episode. Please remember to rate, review, and subscribe to Empowered Within with Jennifer Pilates. Your feedback is important. It helps me to connect with you and gives me insight into who you are and what you're enjoying about the show. For today's show notes and discount codes from today's sponsors, head over to jenniferpilates.com. Until next time, may you live an empowered life from within. Hey there, wellness lovers. Are you ready to transform your fitness journey? Dive into my on-demand Pilates fusion workouts and meditations. Imagine blending the best of Pilates, yoga, and mindful meditation all at your fingertips. Get strong, flexible, and zen anytime, anywhere, 24/7. Head over to jenniferpilates.com for your special exclusive subscription discount. Don't miss out on this ultimate fusion experience. Elevate your body, your mind, and your spirit today. Let's move and meditate together. Hey, beautiful souls. Are you ready to elevate your health and wellness journey? Join my Empowered Within Holistic Health and Wellness private community on Facebook. Imagine having a supportive tribe where you can connect, share, and grow together. Receive exclusive access to holistic health tips, empowering workshops, all designed to help you thrive. Head over to jenniferpilates.com to join our Empowered Within Holistic Health and Wellness community today. Don't miss out on this transformational experience. Empower your mind, body, and spirit today. Let's embark on this journey together. Head over to jenniferpilates.com to join our Empowered Within Holistic Health and Wellness community today. I'll see you there.